Hi, my name is Sarah Mell. I'm from Salina, Kansas. This is my 8th year of teaching total. I taught 3 years. I taught 5th grade 3 years at Oakdale Elementary and then moved to 4th grade at Oakdale Elementary, and now I am doing ESL at Schilling Elementary. All the schools I've been at so far have been Title I schools. The classes I've taken so far, I've taken all of the basics for a library media specialist, and this is my second library class. I am hoping to take 2 classes in the summer and then do my practicum in the fall. So far, online classes for me have been mostly positive. My only drawback would be that it's harder for me to be motivated when I don't have to physically be somewhere to get work done. So it's good for me to just get it done as soon as I can so that I don't have to worry about it. Otherwise, I'll keep putting it off. My family, I have 2 kids who have graduated high school. One is in college at Johnson County Community College in Overland Park, and one is living in Manhattan and not currently going to school. My cataloging experience, I would say I don't really have any. The school I'm at, I've volunteered to help the librarian a little more, but I've mostly been doing check-in and check-out, and then she does use Destiny for cataloging, but other than that, I really don't know a whole lot about what she's doing, so I look forward to learning more from her and possibly the public library as well. And that is all about me. Thank you.